They fucking pussy, man.
Northwest, careful northwest.
No. Come south. They wanna pull us out, bro. Come southwest. Yeah. They have many forge hammer. Our heal is gonna get fucked up, bro. They just wanna pull us. They wanna pull us.
Ay, yung ano natin, yung never mind, you know, masisira to. Bastion.
Don't play with their game, ah.
They're trying to dismount our...
Yeah, may bastion na yan. Makunat pa yan sa makunat.
They Gucci. They have Gucci, bro.
Ano to ulo?
Do you have a cult? No cult, bro. 8 minutes.
They're going southeast.
Yeah. Come southeast.
Ano si
I need eyes on my north. Eyes on my north. I need eye on my north.
Ay, dapat lumapit ka dito,
On
Oli.
the north,
I-engage
I'm
yan.
in southeast.
Yeah, hold southeast. Hold out southeast, choke. They pulling out.
Lapit ka dito, Oli. Lapit ka.
Yep. They have bedrock.
Sa wall. Lapit ka sa wall. Layo.
Tulak mo, hindi din namin.
Yo, careful na choke ha.
Careful, ah. D-tanks, I want you to hold choke, ah. You see that
Meron
8
sa
byte
likod,
over
ah.
there? I need
Meron
one
sa likod.
D-tank with guardian armor. Hold the big
Pwede
side.
ma-hold up yung 8 bytes sa likod. Pwede ko yung hold
Yeah.
Posty.
Hold. Look southeast. I need one D-tank with guardian armor on that brawler behind us. You drop your guardian on them, okay?
Tulak mo papasok.
Behind us?
Marami southwest
Marami sa southwest
Southwest, okay.
Pink 7.
We pull back to area. We pull back to
Tapos,
area where they're brawling, okay?
Meron din silang
Jaggies
bridal na
Wander.
ano.
Solo bomb?
Hindi,
Careful.
bump.
Meron.
Bump.
Look, southwest.
Bump mismo, hindi sa ulo.
I'm on the choke.
Okay. Bakit? Ha?
Yo, we can pull them instead.
They don't wanna get pulled, bro.
Naku po. Tinawag ng
Tayo
mama.
lang natin dito. Yun pa pala.
Yo, kill the mobs, guys, behind us. Yo. Hold. Shallow now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on crown. Delete this bitch. Delete him. D-tanks don't let them through.
Smart yung mga brawler sa likod mo.
Come northwest. Go back Terry. Guardian armor. Demon. Pop giga. Go back Terry fast. Go back Terry. Northeast. Now look south now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on south. On ground. Nice delete. Come back northwest. D-tanks hold them. We didn't get peeled, okay? Nice shit. Nice D. Look at this guy. Now on this guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this. One only. Come back northwest. Get cool down. Stabilize first. Heal our D-tanks, bro.
Ready
Heal the
spike.
D-tanks. They're pulling out again. Yeah.
On the choke again.
Double OC.
Watch out for southwest. Southwest. I'm gonna look for southwest.
Walang bastion? No, come northwest. Wait, hold. Come southwest.
Brawlers here on southwest.
Kasi mount up. Okay.
Mount up. Nag-mount
Double
up.
OC na kayo. We gonna go castle, bro. But I don't want them to declare here so we can only focus on enclave tomorrow.
Pararat nila. Inalisan natin.
Yeah.
Dito ako lang.
Wait, nakatch you, no?
Yo, mount.
Malayo kami.
Ba't nandiyan ka, boss?
Let them zone.
Uy!
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hammer the back, oh.
Bumalik sila.
Pabalik.
Bumalik.
Come northwest.
Kakatching na gago.
Northwest. Come northwest.
Go, 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 Gage. Go, go, Gage.
Come north, come north, come
Dismounted na yung isa.
north. Dismount on me. Dismount ground.
Dismount
Si Christian namamatay na. Si Christian, si
Yo,
Christian.
kite to me. Pichan.
Patay si
Hold here,
Bridge.
hold here, guys. Hold here.
Patay si Brood.
Patay si Brood,
Come north. We're too deep. Come north. We're fucking clap, bro. Too deep. Come north. Bring them to choke. Ditang soul joke. We're gonna engage in southeast. Hold. Southeast now. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on me. Now come back north. Guardian armor. Kill their brawler. Keep going north, ha? Keep going north. You have demon. Pop demon now. Tell me cooldown. Look at crown now. You see crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on crown. Keep going north, ha? Keep going north. Keep going north. Come south.
Malayo yung backline nila.
Yo, kill this guy. Kill this guy.
Careful.
Tol ah.
Kill this guy.
50% sila dito.
Hold them. Come southwest now.
Southwest.
We're gonna engage in southwest now. In southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on me. I didn't catch anyone. Come northeast. Yo, come northeast.
Ayan na, pushing na ulit.
Come northeast.
Going na ulit sila, tol.
They coming again, no?
Kill ditang.
They're looking north.
Come north. Hold here. Come south now. I need GA set up.
Tala,
GA set
back
up
na
on
back.
west. Yo. Come east a bit.
Nag-drop na naman yun ah.
We're gonna look in northwest now. Northwest. Pop boots northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala. Gago, ang bilis. Yo, come northwest.
Brawlers dito, looking brawler dito. Ingat.
Come northwest. Engage.
Terry pa rin natin, tol.
Terry.
Yeah.
Counter na lang siguro tayo.
Kite back.
Come south. May fake ba tayo?
Sige rin. Ayun, may giran.
Couple nga ako.
Carving out.
Yo, engage on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on crown. No. Nice delete. Now come north. Come north. Keep going north. Nice demon. Yo, kill this guy. Now look inside us now. Inside us, ha. Inside us. Keep going southwest.
Tol, low yung backline nila,
We're gonna
tol, ah.
engage in southwest now in 5,
Ito,
4, 3, 2, 1. On crown. Putang ina.
Wala.
Yo.
Bigil.
May engage pa kayo. May engage pa kayo.
Meron pa.
Keep going south now. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on south. One on crown. Drop it on ground. Now keep going northeast. Hold. Northeast and hold. Full push na nga. Full push. They low.
Wala nang GL sa kanila.
They fucking running. Engage on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One on crown.
Careful. Sino yun?
Kill them.
Bigils inside. Bigils.
Yo, keep pushing. They fucking wipe now.
All flop, baril mo nga yung
They fucking wipe. Another healer, oh. Look at this healer. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going?
Mount of
The friend.
Ifrit yan.